Warming up. Yeah.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you.
I can see people swimming.
Yes.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please.
That actually goes. This guy's hot.
No.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
Actually, you see the white rails to the right? That's going to be the new roller coaster.
Mom, we're even taller than the Mako.
You like it, Georgie? Yeah. Are we good?
Yeah! Imagine someone trying to jump from this. They would never. They would fall. I wonder what that's gonna be. That's gonna be a new video.
Ooh, it's so We're at the top.
Going back down.
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see from miles and miles.
Look, airplanes are taking
As the
off.
cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica.
Wait, let's see if we can see our car.
Thank you for coming today to see us here at SeaWorld Sky Tower. We're celebrating our 50th anniversary.
What's the green one?
Just a little information about fun activities today at the park. If you were interested in the next dolphin adventure, that's going to take place today at 3 o'clock, followed by the orca encounter at Orca Stadium at 3:30.
What's that purple one?
Now, when we come down from the tower, if you want to make it to Sesame Street Party Parade, that's taking place at 2:30. In case you were wondering what that construction site is, that's home to our new attraction coming in spring of this year. Correct? It's a combination of exciting exhibits along with a family-friendly roller coaster. You can feel a little daring today. How about trying Pipeline, our newest roller coaster? Or the surfer experience, you get to ride this one in a standard position. Also, if you're feeling even more daring than that, how about trying Orlando's smallest roller coaster drop at Mako at 220 feet tall and 73 miles per hour. Want more information about shows and activities at the park? Download the SeaWorld app. Download it back and enjoy it.
Mommy, I want to go on this
Thanks for
again.
coming.
That's Discovery Cove.
No,
We are on a mission to protect marine life and the oceans they call
Oh, look
home.
at all this.
Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet.
Kraken's up. Kraken's up. Watch it go. On top of that, the shortest line because of how scary. Kraken, look at it. Look at it go.
To find more information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, visit us online at SeaWorld.com, download the SeaWorld app, or stop by the guest information counter located near the park's front entrance. We hope that you have enjoyed your ride aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. Be sure to check your seats for any belongings and watch your step as you exit the cabin. Thanks for joining us and have a great day here at SeaWorld.
Now you go on the drop.
Oh wow, why is the door
Dungeon.
Alright, everyone, I hope you liked it. Please remain seated until we make it to a full stop, and the exit will be opposite the entrance.
I want to do it
I loved
again.
it. That was a good view.
It was.
Mom, I want to do it again.
We're gonna do other stuff.
Yeah, like go on the, I want to go on the elephant.
Do the what?
We ask that you please remain seated until the cabin comes to a complete stop. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day at SeaWorld.
We're gonna, I promise
Is
we're
there
going
an
to
elbow slide?
Oh, because I said it. I mean, I think